Hi, I'm Paul Herridge, owner of the Boat Lift Dock and Bulkhead Company. We've been building docks and boat lifts on Lake Conroe since 1992. Over the years, we've had the privilege of helping thousands of families enjoy life on the water. When we introduced the bikini top, and later the big bikini top, it changed the way people protected their boats, while allowing them to enjoy larger water views. It was designed with structure, balance, and durability in mind, and it quickly became the standard others have tried to copy. We're the go-to construction team on the lake. From personal residential bulkheads to large-scale marina projects, we take on the jobs others simply can't handle. Why? Because of our people. Our talented team of craftsmen, operators, project managers, and support staff bring decades of combined experience to every lake project. We have the equipment, the manpower, and the engineering knowledge to execute complex projects the right way. Heavy pilings, commercial docks, major shoreline stabilization, full marina builds. These lakes are constantly moving. Water levels change, storms hit, shorelines shift. You need a team that understands how to build for all of it. That's what we do every single day. When the job is big, complicated, or critical, we're the team people call. Want to learn more? Give us a call at 936-447-2850 or visit us at TheBoatLiftCompany.com.